Hello everyone, welcome to Study Driven. Today I am going to answer few of the questions asked repeatedly in the comment sections. So, how much minimum attendance required? Many of the students have been asking this, whether they need to attend the classes and if they are even attending the classes, whether that is getting recorded or not. So institute recommends regular attendance of the skill training classes. That means you need to attend each and every classes of skill training, right? So attendance is strictly monitored by the institute, and it is recorded by this operating system. So while before watching classes, you need to put your login credential, that is your registration number and date of birth, right? So through that, institute can monitor each students and their attendance is also recorded through this operating system. All right. Next is assessment exam. When the assessment exam will take place? So as of now, there has been two assessment exam. One has taken place in August 2021 and another is February 2022. So if any of the students has missed any assessment exam, so another assessment exam will take place after completion of this skill training batch, that is on 5th of May 2022. So you guys please keep following the institute website, and you can mail also the institute regarding when the assessment exam will take place. Next confusion is what about those students whose attempts are due on December 22. So you need to check here, if your actual due term is June 2022, then your skill training batch is going on right now and you must complete it now if you want to attend both the groups of intermediate exam. If you want to attempt one of the groups of the intermediate exam, then you can do the skill training classes later on, the recorded versions, right? But if your actual due term is December 2022, that is for those students whose registration was done after 25th of February 2022, then you do not need to worry about skill training program right now, because it has not yet started for December 2022 term students. What to do in order to appear in June 22 term of intermediate examinations? So students who wants to appear in June 22 term of intermediate examinations, both the groups, they must complete their skill training batches, okay, and they must write the assessment test as well. Then only they can sit for the intermediate examination for both the group. And in June 22 term, for those students who wants to appear single group, any one of the groups of intermediate, then they may complete their recorded version of the classes of skill training program of June 22 batch or their corresponding batches. The maximum time is 10 months, okay? You need to complete your classes of your correspondent batch within 10 months. So keep it in mind. And if you want to appear any one of the group, they can sit for exam now. There is still a confusion in many students whether they need to go for skill training or CSS training. So if admission in CMA intermediate has been taken on or after 11th of August 2020, then they will go for skill training. The rest students, means those students who have taken their admission in CMA intermediate before 11th of August 2020, they will go for CSS training. How to enroll to skill training program? So you do not need to enroll for skill training program. Once you have registered yourself for CMA intermediate course, then institute will send you mail or SMS in due time, provided you have given institute your correct mail ID. Okay, so many students blunder in this area. They provide their wrong mail ID or they want to change their mail ID later on, so it will be a critical case. So please do check that you provide your correct mail ID. And even if you have provided your correct mail ID and you see your friends are getting the notifications from institute and you do not receive any mail, then you can contact institute. You can contact institute in their mail ID, that is skilltraining@icmai.in, or you can call institute for certain queries on this number 033 4036 4747. I hope many of your doubts have been solved. in this video. If you have any other queries, please do comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching.